Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the effect of major events on ideology. So let's do it. Okay, so we've been talking about political socialization for a couple of videos now, but one other aspect that we want to talk about is the fact that major political events or things that happen during a person's life can absolutely impact their political ideology and their beliefs for the long term. So there is something known as the Impressionable Age Hypothesis. And this is the idea that says that when a person is about 14 to 24 years of age, that things that happen to them or happen in the country during this time leave a lasting impression and impact their political ideology, not just while they're young, but forever, for the rest of their life, that will have an impression on them going into the future. And so we think about major events that have happened in U.S. history. So something that has impacted millennials who would be at about that age in 2001 would be 9/11, for example. So that can be, again, such a major event that it shapes people's views and it changes how they see the world. We could think too of the financial crisis of 2008 and again the aftermath of that, the bank bailouts, and this would affect heavily the political beliefs and views, ideology of millennials. Generation Z is kind of just now getting to this point. Some of them already are, some of them will be soon. We can think of the Trump presidency and that this is one of those impressionable times in their life, and so this might shape the way that they view politics for the rest of their lives. Now again, notice that the event itself doesn't say that the people will then become more liberal or more conservative. Some people, as a result of the Trump presidency, might become liberal forever, while others might become very devoted to the conservative cause. Same thing with 9/11. Some people might have seen that attack on the country and become more patriotic, more nationalistic, join the military, and become more conservative for the rest of their lives. While others may have looked at things like the Patriot Act and the war on terror and the war in Iraq as being perhaps unjust, and it pushes them in a more socially liberal direction. So again, it's not saying that the event is going to cause you to have one response or the other, but that your response to that major event will then color your perception of politics and your political ideology for the rest of your life. So this can as well be another source of political socialization and something that impacts our political ideologies and beliefs. So that's it for this video. Until next time, this has been a LaMoney production. Thanks again for watching this short but quick video. If you appreciate how short it was, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys in the next video.